Hello, welcome to How To Cooking. Tonight, Princess Dynamite and I are doing one of our packaged meals from HelloFresh. I'm going to be preparing, she's going to be tasting. I'm going to be preparing curried turkey bowls. It has a Basmati rice, dried apricots, and pickled cabbage. So it looks very interesting. We'll try it out. Look, if you're into more authentic from scratch meals, check out our favorites of friends. It's another category I do where I'm cooking locals' favorites. A lot of Southwest Louisiana food or food that families have brought in through immigration into the area. So check those out. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see or have a request, and I'll try to find somebody to teach us how to cook it or cook it for us. That's even better. Turkey. I did make a lamb curry one time, but lambs prefer hay. Now, beaver curry I have tasted. Beaver curry is excellent. It's like normal curry, just a little odder. Went to a local Indian restaurant and they had like 20 different types of curry on their menu. So I made them bring me a clean one. I did hear Wookiee curry is good, very flavorful. The meat's a little chewy. This Basmati rice has an aroma that's kind of like buttered popcorn, very nice if you haven't had it. This is a very simple step. A lot of people skip this because it's just kind of like a side note. It tells you to fluff your rice before serving. That's essential. It helps keep the flavors. It makes the rice lighter and fluffier. So make sure you use a fork and you fluff the rice before you put it on the plate. I'm not going to tell any cabbage jokes because it recently happened. You can check out your news feeds and read about the cabbage murder. It was a real slaughter. She went with the cabbage first. That's odd for a little princess. I think she's going for it all. She likes it. Jada, what do you tell them? Thumbs up? Look. Very good. Let me taste it. Give it another thumbs up. HelloFresh. Remember, HelloFresh. It's good enough for a princess. Huh. All right, baby. I'm done.